Imagine this. You're an alien and a giant nosy robot lands in your backyard. It starts poking around, taking samples, and maybe even kicking up some dust. Would you appreciate the intrusion? Today, we're going to dive into the mind-bending question. Could our own exploration of Mars have accidentally wiped out any potential Martian life? We've been fascinated by Mars for centuries. Early space missions give us our first glimpses of its dusty crater-packed surface. But it wasn't until the 1970s that we started to wonder if life could have ever existed there. In the 1970s, NASA's Viking missions embarked on a bold quest to answer this very question. Equipped with sophisticated instruments, the Viking landers sought for signs of microbial life in the Martian soil. While the results were intriguing, they were mainly inconclusive. Fast forward to the 21st century, and a new piece of the puzzle emerged. The Phoenix lander discovered perchlorates, a type of salt, in the Martian soil. Recent research has revealed the presence of perchlorates in the Antarctic ice cores. This discovery was a significant finding, as it demonstrated that perchlorates are not solely confined to Mars. Perchlorates can significantly impact microbial life in several ways. Perchlorates are strong oxidizing agents. This means that they readily pull electrons from other molecules, disrupting cellular processes. This oxidative stress can damage vital cell components, leading to cell death. Perchlorates also have a dehydrating effect on microorganisms. They can draw water away from cells, making it difficult for them to survive. Lastly, they can interfere with essential metabolic processes in microorganisms, such as energy production and nutrition intake. The presence of perchlorates could be the reason why the Viking missions couldn't find definitive evidence of life. It's possible that the harsh, oxidizing environment created by perchlorates could have wiped out any potential Martian microbes. This also raises a sobering possibility. Could our very efforts to explore Mars have inadvertently destroyed any potential life forms that may have existed there? Let's talk about the implications of these discoveries for future Mars missions. First and foremost, we need to be incredibly mindful of planetary protection. Imagine sending a spacecraft to Mars. It's like bringing a picnic basket to a pristine wilderness. We don't want to contaminate the Martian environment with Earth microbes. This is why we go to extreme lengths to sanitize spacecraft before launch. We clean them meticulously, bake them in ovens, and even use special radiation treatments to eliminate any hitchhiking Earthlings. But planetary protection is about more than just preventing forward contamination. It's about protecting ourselves, too, from potential Martian microbes. If we bring back samples to Earth, we need to be certain that we're not introducing any unknown and potentially dangerous life forms. As we continue to explore Mars, we must carefully balance our scientific curiosity with our responsibility to protect the planet's pristine environment. Future missions will need to use sophisticated instruments to detect subtle signs of past and present life. So, did we accidentally wipe out Martian life before we knew it even existed? It's a tantalizing question that scientists are still struggling to answer. As we embark on future missions to Mars, it's essential to remember that we're not just exploring another planet. We're exploring the potential origins of life itself.